Imagine a place so remote, so unforgiving that its very existence was once shrouded in myth and speculation. A land where the horizon is a never-ending expanse of white, where the air is so cold it can freeze your breath in mid-air, and where the silence is so profound it feels almost otherworldly. This is Antarctica, a continent that has fascinated and challenged humanity for centuries. This is Antarctica, the southernmost continent, a landmass larger than Europe and almost entirely covered in ice. Its ice sheets hold about 60% of the world's fresh water locked away in a frozen fortress. The sheer scale and inhospitable nature of this land have made it one of the last frontiers of human exploration. For centuries, maps depicted a vast, unknown landmass known as Terra Australis Incognita, the unknown southern land. This mythical continent was thought to balance the land masses of the northern hemisphere, a theory that persisted through the ages despite the lack of concrete evidence. The first documented sighting of Antarctica didn't occur until the early 19th century. Before this, the southern seas were the domain of legends and speculative cartography. The brave souls who ventured into these icy waters were driven by curiosity, ambition, and the promise of new discoveries. Russian explorer Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshausen in 1820 is credited with this momentous discovery. His expedition, which circumnavigated the Antarctic continent, provided the first recorded evidence of this elusive land. Bellingshausen's journey was a testament to human perseverance and the relentless quest for knowledge. His expedition, along with those led by British and American explorers, opened the door to a new era of exploration and discovery. These early explorers faced unimaginable challenges, navigating through uncharted waters and enduring the harshest of conditions. These initial voyages were fraught with danger and hardship. The explorers had to contend with freezing temperatures, violent storms, and the ever-present threat of their ships being crushed by the ice. Many expeditions ended in tragedy, but each failure brought new knowledge and experience. Wooden ships battled ferocious storms and treacherous ice floes. The ice was a formidable adversary, capable of trapping ships for months or even years. Yet despite these dangers, the allure of the unknown and the promise of new lands kept the explorers pushing forward. Yet the lure of the unknown, the desire to chart this icy wilderness, pushed these early explorers forward. They trekked through the frozen landscape, driven by a sense of adventure and the hope of making groundbreaking discoveries. Their journeys were not just physical, but also intellectual, as they sought to understand the mysteries of this frozen continent. Their bravery and determination paved the way for the scientific endeavors that would follow. The early explorers laid the groundwork for future generations of scientists and researchers who would continue to unlock the secrets of Antarctica. Today, their legacy lives on in the ongoing quest to understand this remote and enigmatic land. The early 20th century witnessed a period of intense competition known as the heroic age of Antarctic exploration. This era was characterized by a fervent race among nations to explore the uncharted territories of Antarctica, driven by a mix of scientific curiosity, national pride, and the human spirit of adventure. The harsh and unforgiving environment of Antarctica presented a formidable challenge, but it also offered the ultimate prize, the glory of being the first to reach the South Pole. Explorers from nations like Britain, Norway, France, and Australia raced to reach the South Pole and claim their place in history. Each expedition was a testament to the determination and resilience of the human spirit, as teams braved extreme cold, treacherous ice, and relentless winds. The competition was fierce, with each nation striving to outdo the others in a bid for national prestige and scientific discovery. Names like Scott, Amundsen, and Shackleton became synonymous with courage, endurance, and the indomitable human spirit. These explorers faced unimaginable hardships, yet their stories of perseverance and bravery continue to inspire generations. Their expeditions were not just about reaching a geographical point, they were about pushing the boundaries of human capability and understanding. Roald Amundsen, a Norwegian explorer, achieved the remarkable feat of reaching the South Pole first in 1911. His success was the result of meticulous planning, innovative strategies, and a deep understanding of the harsh Antarctic environment. Amundsen's use of dog sleds, which were well suited to the icy terrain, played a crucial role in his triumph. His meticulous planning and innovative use of dog sleds proved crucial to his success. Amundsen's team was well prepared with carefully selected equipment and supplies that ensured their survival in the extreme conditions. Their journey to the South Pole was a masterclass in expedition planning and execution, setting a high standard for future explorers. Tragically, British explorer Robert Falcon Scott and his team reached the pole just weeks later, only to perish on their return journey. Scott's expedition, though ultimately doomed, demonstrated incredible bravery and determination. The harsh conditions and unforeseen challenges they faced highlight the perilous nature of Antarctic exploration. These expeditions, though marked by triumph and tragedy, captured the world's imagination. The stories of these explorers were followed closely by the public, and their successes and failures were widely reported in the media. The heroic age of Antarctic exploration became a symbol of human endeavor and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. They also led to the establishment of the first permanent bases in Antarctica, laying the groundwork for future scientific research. These early research stations were crucial in advancing our understanding of the Antarctic environment and its global significance. They provided a base for scientists to conduct long-term studies and gather valuable data. Stations like McMurdo Station, USA, and Scott Base, New Zealand, became important hubs for scientific study. Today, these research stations continue to play a vital role in our understanding of Antarctica and its impact on the global climate. The legacy of the heroic age of Antarctic exploration lives on through the ongoing scientific endeavors that seek to unlock the mysteries of this frozen continent. The spirit of international cooperation that emerged in the wake of the International Geophysical Year of 1957-58 proved pivotal for Antarctica's future. This period marked a significant shift in how nations viewed the icy continent. No longer seen merely as a remote and inhospitable land, Antarctica became a symbol of what humanity could achieve when united by a common goal. The International Geophysical Year brought together scientists from 12 countries, setting the stage for unprecedented collaboration. The Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959 and entered into force in 1961, designated the continent as a natural reserve, dedicated to peace and science. This groundbreaking agreement was the first of its kind, establishing a framework for the peaceful use of an entire continent. It was a bold move, reflecting the optimism and forward-thinking of the era. This landmark treaty, with its subsequent protocols and agreements collectively known as the Antarctic Treaty System, stands as a testament to international collaboration. Over the years, the treaty has been expanded and strengthened through various measures, ensuring that Antarctica remains free from territorial disputes and military activities. It prohibits military activities, encourages scientific research, and promotes environmental protection. The treaty's environmental protocols are particularly noteworthy as they set stringent guidelines for preserving the continent's unique ecosystem. These measures include restrictions on waste disposal, protection of native wildlife, and regulations on tourism. The treaty ensures that Antarctica remains a place where nations can work together for the common good. Scientific research conducted here has led to significant discoveries in fields such as climate science, glaciology, and biology. The collaborative nature of this research fosters a spirit of unity and shared purpose among the international scientific community. The Antarctic Treaty System transcends political boundaries, uniting nations in their commitment to scientific discovery and the preservation of this pristine environment. It serves as a model for how countries can come together to address global challenges, setting aside their differences for the greater good. It serves as a beacon of hope, demonstrating that nations can overcome their differences and collaborate for the betterment of humanity. The Antarctic Treaty System is not just a legal framework. It is a symbol of what is possible when the world unites in pursuit of knowledge, peace, and the protection of our planet's most fragile environments. Antarctica is a continent of extremes with vast ice sheets, towering mountains, and hidden lakes. It is also a place of incredible scientific value, offering researchers a unique window into the Earth's past, present, and future. Scientists from around the world converge on Antarctica to study a wide range of disciplines. Geologists study ancient ice cores, like those extracted from the depths of the East Antarctic ice sheet, to reconstruct past climate records, providing crucial insights into climate change. Biologists investigate the remarkable adaptations of life in extreme environments, from microscopic organisms thriving in subglacial lakes to colonies of penguins enduring harsh winters. The discovery of the ozone hole over Antarctica in the 1980s, a direct consequence of human-made pollutants, served as a stark wake-up call to the global community. It highlighted the interconnectedness of our planet and the far-reaching consequences of human activities.
Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more motivational stories. Thanks for watching.